Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Monday.
You like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is potato.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is Toyota.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
What's your favorite color of clothes?
My favorite clothing color is black.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite shoes are sports shoes.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite bag is school bag.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of phone?
My favorite phone is iPhone.
Do you like to go to the zoo to see animals?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo to see animals.
Do you like to go to the park to relax?
Yes, I like to go to the park to relax.
How do you travel to work?
I travel by local train.
Do you like to go to the gym to exercise?
Yes, I like to go to the gym to exercise.
Can you cook a special dish?
Yes, I can cook a special dish.
Do you like to go to concerts?
No, I don't like to go to concerts.
Do you like to go to museum?
No, I don't like to go to museum.
Do you like to go hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains.
Can you do a somersault?
No, I can't do a somersault.
Do you like to go skiing in the winter?
Yes, I like to go skiing in the winter.
Do you like to go swimming in the pool?
Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool.
Do you like to go camping in the forest?
Yes, I like to go camping in the forest.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Can you swim in a lake?
Yes, I can swim in a lake.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit in Paris.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.